The ZINUS Mory Platform Bed stands out with its industrial modern design, combining a sleek black metal frame and a rustic wood-finished headboard to create a stylish yet organic look for your bedroom. Constructed with a durable solid steel frame and a wood mattress platform, this bed provides robust support, ensuring the longevity of your foam or spring mattress without the need for a box spring. Offering over 10 inches of clearance space beneath the frame, the bed provides ample storage options, making it a practical choice for maximizing bedroom space. The Mory Platform Bed is designed for convenience, arriving at your doorstep in one compact box with all necessary tools and instructions for easy assembly in under 1 hour. This bed comes with a reassuring 5-year worry-free warranty, so you can enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. It is an excellent choice for those seeking a combination of strength, style, and affordability without compromising on quality or support.